So what is angle of repose? Okay. What is angle of repose? So we will consider different kinds of incline. Suppose we have an incline like this. Okay. An object is kept on it. Now, second, we can consider another incline like this, little bit larger incline. Okay. Little bit larger inclination. Second, we can consider even larger incline like this. So what we are going to see in these cases, you may have in first case, suppose the object is not sliding, the surface is rough. Surface is rough here. All the surfaces are rough. Actually, all are same surface. We are changing the angle only. So if we are changing the angle, so what will happen? In this case, suppose there is no sliding. In this case, there is no sliding, and sliding suppose starts at some angle theta. So the minimum angle with horizontal of the incline at which sliding starts is called angle of repose. Okay. So this is what angle of repose is, the minimum angle. The minimum angle of incline, with horizontal when sliding starts is called angle of repose. Okay. So how much will be its value? So let us see how much will be its value. So what are the different forces? So if you see a particular, suppose this is downward force mg, then there is a normal, and then there is a friction in backward direction. Okay, so these are the three forces which are acting. So mg, normal, and friction. So what is the component of mg downward? So if you see, this is along x and this is along y. If you write equation along x, we know that component of mg along the incline is mg sin theta. Component of mg along the incline is mg sin theta. And to slide, there should be the total acceleration. If you want to find, this will be mg sin theta and minus f. This is the total force, that should be ma. We write it like this. This is the way to write. The acceleration is given by this expression. Now friction is, if it is sliding, the friction will be how much? Mg sin theta minus friction is mu times normal, or mg sin theta, normal is mg cos theta, so mu mg cos theta. So this is the value of acceleration. But if you want to see just sliding case, in that case we can just balance these two. The mg sin theta must be, this is for acceleration, but just for sliding for starting the slide, we can write directly like this, and we will have mg sin theta equal to mu mg cos theta, or we can write tan theta equal to mu. So this is the condition just to slide the start. If tan theta is less than mu, so first we will write, this is the value of angle of repose. Okay, this is the angle of repose. Okay, if we can see different cases, if theta is less than tan inverse mu, no sliding. And in this case, the friction will not reach the maximum value, and the friction which will act is, since the object is not sliding, the maximum friction will not act. The friction will be only the mg sin theta. Whatever the external force is applied, the friction will adjust its value. Are you getting what I'm trying to say? I am saying that if the theta is less than this value, then incline is not sufficiently large. In that case, object does not slide. And if object does not slide, the applied friction is equal to the component of mg along the incline, that is mg sin theta. The friction will be mg sin theta itself. Okay, in this case, if theta is equal to tan inverse mu. Then sliding starts. And in this case, friction is equal to mg cos theta, mu mg cos theta, and that will be also equal to mg sin theta, because it is just starting now. These two are equal. These two are equal. You can see the mg sin theta and mu mg cos theta are equal. And if theta is greater than tan inverse mu, then sliding is going on, and friction will be mu mg cos theta only. And in this case, mu mg cos theta will not be equal to mg sin theta. It will be different. The mg sin theta will be larger, and we will get some acceleration. This will be accelerated motion. Accelerated motion. Okay. But this one is not accelerated. This one is just sliding, means constant velocity we can see, no acceleration we can see, no acceleration. Sliding starts but no acceleration. Okay. So in this way we can understand the angle of repose and its significance. If the angle of incline is more than angle of repose, sliding will be there. If less than angle of repose, there will be no sliding.